Put power here.
As gentle as you can. Oh yes.
Agera Beats.
Okay guys, welcome to another video.
As we said in the last video, man's leaning on the wall even.
I'm tired.
Get some pep in your step, brother.
You see, I could be doing this or I could be enjoying that. That looks good.
Now you get the best of both worlds.
And now I have to do the best of both worlds.
Look at you, brother.
So what are we doing? I would say today, but I would rather say what are we doing now?
So we are attempting not to break chips. There's no window mechanism here. Remember we bought one in that other video?
Yes.
So now we're putting that window mechanism in here to see, well, not see if it works, to at least get 2 of the windows working. Should this window work, then I know I need motors for the rest of the windows.
For the back windows.
So actually I might as well just, I think I'm just going to try and replace all 4 motors. But if this one works, because we tested that motor, and I know that I can replace the motors on all of them. Should be good for another 30 years.
Should be.
Should be.
30 years?
Should is the operator.
30 years?
I mean, it's about 30 years old, the car. I don't know when it stopped.
30 years old.
I don't know when it stopped working, but it's about 30 years old.
It's crazy. Okay.
I think it's more than a 10.
It wasn't a 10?
No.
No ways.
I'm gonna keep the 10 with me just in case. Maybe it's I'm tired.
Okay, so anyway, this is the window mechanism that we got at the scrapyard. And we tested it and it works. Goes up, goes down.
1 bolt out. So taking the door off of this, I think I've explained it. Have we done?
No, not the front doors.
Not the front, okay. So there's wood panels here, they have clips. You literally just...
Same as the back, that
yeah, you literally just yank them off. And then once you get, there's a bolt here and a bolt back here. You'll see them once you take the wood panels off. And then after that, the process is pretty much the same. You pull upward, clips on the top. Oh, sorry, you loosen the clips around the sides, and then you pull upward and the clips on the top will snap off. I shall show you once I proceed with that step.
Agazi is looking for a new amp.
Guys will do that, brother.
Does this bad boy work?
Nope.
Why can't I get behind this thing?
That's what she said.
No, it's actually what he said.
Oh, I guess it is, eh?
Yeah, this thing is on here.
That's what she said.
There we go. Thank you.
That's what he said.
Why would he say that?
You got in behind.
Oh. Jeez. This thing's literally bending this tool, bro.
That's what she said.
Can you? Honestly, insufferable. Can I help you?
In today's video, of course, he strips his car in front of a live studio audience.
Oh, and one thing you want to remember to do is to remove this.
Which you almost forgot.
Which I did forget, and then I remembered when I didn't want to go through. Put that somewhere safe because you don't want to lose it. And then the door card comes off. Make sure to catch your thingy. That's about that.
What's that?
We don't talk about that.
That looks like Brywood to me.
I mean, if we get the mechanism in and it works, then...
So the reason why the window doesn't work is because
Agera Beats.
wood is not a suitable window mechanism, guys.
Yeah, it doesn't go up and down.
It doesn't.
But it's got the most necessary part.
Yeah, zip ties, and wood. It's basically a drift car, bro. Big motor, rear wheel drive, zip ties and wood. It's a drift car. It's a drift car. Come, let's just build it properly. Put a roll cage in it. Strip the interior. Let's go drifting. Okay.
Just need to drop it first.
It's on jack stands, guys. Leave my car alone.
Apparently, it's got the fitment of a button.
It's on jack stands.
Oh, they're roasting you for your fitment, brother.
It's on jack
If
stands.
you're wearing that with such whack fitment.
It's on jack. The back is fine. It's on jack stands.
Whack. Trying to enjoy a nice braai. And of course he keeps on telling me to come and film things.
Brother, this was a day in the life video.
It was.
Exactly. And every day of my life I do what? I stress you. So leave me alone. So effectively these are all moving parts and I got this from a scrapyard. So I've been brushing away all the sand and stuff. It obviously needs to be clean so that it moves on a smooth surface, right? So I'm gonna use some intake cleaner.
But why? This isn't an intake.
Because it's got a motor on it and I'm afraid of using water.
Oh, okay.
But it cleans EGR, turbo and fouled. I don't know if this is good for electronics, but the best we've got.
You think it cleans electronics off the bodies?
Hmm?
You think it cleans electronics off the bodies?
I mean, I don't know.
What is EG? Cleans what? EGR.
Then it's good for electronics.
E must mean electronic.
I mean, it must.
Yeah.
So right now I'm trying to just get the moving parts, obviously. Then I'll figure it out from there. I mean, that looks good if I say so myself, bro.
Well, considering you had wood, anything would look good.
It's late at night.
It is late, look.
Okay. Now let it dry. Then we shall install.
Okay, now that it has done drying.
Yeah, I'm going to assume that it's clean enough. I mean, I made sure to clean the rails, all the moving parts. So I think I'm happy enough with it. And cleaned over here. I'm going to spray grease on here. Grease in here. And then there's assembly grease on the clips. So I'm going to replace the clips, slide them into the window there, and see if it works.
Okay, let's go do that.
Goodbye.
Yes, it's been holding your window up for almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years, brother.
You still got a lot of rags.
Yeah, so that if the window does ever fall by mistake,
It don't break.
well, at least
Theoretically.
hope not. Yes,
Some cushioning.
in theory. Okay, I'm gonna do a test fit. See how high the window needs to be. All right. Oh, it's almost at the right. Okay, I need you to lift it. See, there's a gap. I need you to lift it all the way. Okay, so it fits in all the mounting holes. The mechanisms all match. So now I'm going to add the clips, slide the clips in, hopefully, and then
Plug it up.
Bob may be our uncle.
Maybe.
I need a something.
You need a...
Something to pull this.
Oh.
How?
So yeah. Just split it.
Yeah, I have soft hands, bro. See,
Oh, dear.
supermodel hand. We should be using the right tools, guys. Don't judge us. It's currently very late o'clock, and I've not had a window besides the driver's side window for years. So
Mr. Soft Hands.
I care more about having a window than I do about my soft hands. Why didn't I bring the tools here? Please give me the Q20 there or whatever's there.
Yeah.
Oh yes, you have the window in your hands, eh?
Q20.
I'll hold it.
No, that's not a problem. Your hands are oily. You want to hold the window. It's gonna slide. Then we have to go to a scrapyard. Nah, bruh. Yeah, joke, bro.
None of you touch my damn buttons.
I'm gonna touch all the buttons. We're even gonna play with your seat.
No, seat is off limits. You know the story with the seat. You of all people know the story with the seats. My seats are off limits. Now I'm gonna disconnect the damn things. I'm gonna disconnect them because I have friends like you guys. Come on, come on. That's definitely my fault.
Struggle nation.
Well, there we go. Okay, we are going up now. There we go. Now this one's not going up.
Jose, what I'm
Oh,
saying
it's because it's on the glass. Huh?
What I'm saying is, no, that's not the problem. Whatever you're trying to do, put power here.
Yes, Akasi. I'm trying to do that, but I need to clip it in.
No, we'll clip it in after.
I need to clip in the harness. I can't do that while holding it because I'm holding it literally by the mechanism. Please lift that glass up.
Watch your fingers now.
Make sure it's going up straight, otherwise it's going to get up.
And make sure you keep your fingers out of the way. It's a drip. Horsey broke a clip.
So now two of them are in. Two of them are in. Somebody please run the motor.
Do you want it up or down?
I don't know.
Pull it, take it down.
Brother,
Won't it work? No, maybe.
take it down. Like a bump. See, still not moving here.
So can we adjust it here?
Okay, there.
8 hours later.
Let go, Akasi. Drop your window. Are you alright there, brother?
I not drop this window.
Come down. Come down. Okay, whoa. Don't drop the thing. Just
Come down. It came down.
Just keep it there.
Down again. Down. Yeah. One click. One click. Again. 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 Right. In.
Thank you so much. I was busy struggling with it. It's been a long day and it's been a long couple of years for me without windows. So
2 years without a window.
oh, when you're putting the door back, remember to put this through. Otherwise, actually, remember first
To connect your door handle. Man was about to have a functioning window and a dysfunctional door.
Yes, I was. And then you remember to put this in. And then you check that nothing went out while you were busy doing it. Which nothing has in our case. Hold the door on.
Holding door on.
And then run the wire this way a little bit. Sorry, hold on to it still, please. And then you gently ask it to nicely get into the clips. As gentle as you can. And then you slide the tweeter in. Well, shove a little bit of wire back in. And then slide the tweeter back into its mounting holy key. So you'll see there's like an opening there. There's a bolt here, well, a screw. You want to align that and pooch until it goes in. And then oh yes. And you know what? Now
No more whiskey.
no more wind noise. Right, yeah. So I think it's quite evident. I'll need to get new motors for the other two windows. Then we do all of that again.
Times 2.
It only took us 2 hours, 3 hours.
Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Horsey now has 2 out of 4 working windows.
50%. So excited. I can wave from both sides.
Hey, yeah, you don't have to stick it out the sunroof now.
The worst thing was when somebody was trying to talk to me. And you know, like when you're driving past each other and now my passenger window's on the other side. No more of that.
Now you can actually open the window and say,
You get me. You get me.
not a 7 Series with broken stuff. Wow.
Well, anyway, major thank you to all of you. We've finally reached a big milestone of 1,000 subscribers.
Huge.
Huge. Yeah, I think all the likes, all the subs, all the shares, the comments have been phenomenal.
Yeah, I mean, it makes us happy that it's making you guys happy that you guys can, you know, engage with it and have fun with it.
Yeah.
And yeah, that means the world to us, and we're gonna keep on going, see how far we can take it, guys.
Yeah. Continue to leave the comments. I think all of the comments that we've got with like some sort of suggestions we've used, and it's really helped us. And we obviously want to continue to give you the content you want to watch. Gives us a reason to keep going.
It does. On to 5,000. Let's go fetch 5, guys. Peace out.